Another function that is asked on orthodontics is the TMJ analysis, and we have a special module for that, which makes the TMJ analysis quite easy and quite clear. So, as you know, here are the icons for the different diagnostics that we want to do, and guess what? We have one for TMJ. So if I select it, my computer will then calculate it 6 views plus normally 2 in 3D. Here are the 6 views, and the idea is to get the right TMJ and the left TMJ quite visible in any single angle that we want, plus then the 3D. So first what we need to do is to zoom a little bit. So yes, you can see the zoom applies for every single view, which is not bothering. And then I click on the first TMJ, then try to have a better image, which is the case right now. Hey, let's tilt this view in order to see the TMJ in a different way, like this, and why not like this. Excellent. We get our first view. Just to be sure, we're going to center a little bit our first image here. Right. Excellent. Now let's do the same on the other side. So very quickly, click, 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 and then let's adapt a little bit to the angle. Right. To the first angle and second angle to follow the ramus. Excellent. So this is our first view of the TMJ. Of course, this is my way. You can change the way you want to see it. And in order just to remember every time which one is left, which one is right, because you can get lost with all these tiltings, and quite easy. Get L for left and right for right. Can be more clear. So already with 2D you can do a lot of things. I must say the 3D visualization is not mandatory for the next step, but in case you are interested, because it's somehow clearer if you can see it in 3D, simply click on Synth Lab. Of course it's all written here. Which one is that? It's simply this one. And what happens? You have different views that are centered in general around these views, where you can select the thickness of what you're looking. You can select the orientation of what you're looking at. So as you can see, of course I'm actuating here, but I'm of course looking here. There we go. Oops, I changed the view. No, I shouldn't have changed this one, but rather this one. Look at that. I have here a very nice idea of what's happening. Let's do the same more or less here. Let's first change the angle like this and select. Well, Thin Slab, as you can see, is enables to have a slab, what would be a piece of bread of your patient, and that enables to clearly select what you are interested in. And of course, as everything is 3D images, you can change the density, you can change as well the visualization, underscore bone, for example. I think Bone HD is my favorite on this one. Look at that. It's beautiful. So this enables to check diagnostic. In general, you can move as you want with the mouse in 3D, but it gets very easily to get very easy to get lost. So in general, I would recommend to simply use this one. You can do it in all dimensions in 3D, and but that's in general much clearer, and you get a very good idea of your position. If you start modifying here, your image or your capacity of diagnostic is of course reduced. If I still want to see my 2D images in a clear way, simply unclick here, and there you go. As you can see, before and after. Let's see. This is how clear we can see it with Thin Slab. This is with all the anatomical part on the background. So you see the SynthLab really adds some clarity to the diagnostic. That's it for the ATM.